Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Lady Tarot. Magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng general tarot reading. Kung ano ang maging kapalaran sa pagpasok ng first half ng January, which is from January 1 to 15 para sa ating mga Pisces babies. Let's start. So first card, we have the Knight of Wands. Second is Nine of Pentacles. Third is the Sun. Ayan. So, dito pa lang, Pisces, nakikita kong napakasagana or napakaganda ng pasok ng year 2024 para sa inyo. So, umaapaw na yaman ang nakikita ko. So, Nine of Pentacles. So, wala kayong magiging problema sa pera or sabihin natin may time na magastos kayo. Hindi nyo hinahayaang maubusan or masaid yung wallet, yung sabihin natin yung bulsa or yung bank, yung GCash nyo. So, talagang, ayan. And dahil nga doon, you are so, or talagang umaapaw kayo sa saya, and napaka-passionate nyo, napaka-straightforward, and talagang kayo yung go person. Parang sige lang ng sige. Ganon. Since, parang, ayun nga, parang nafe-feel yung walang magiging problema since, ano nga, ayun, you are so optimistic, positive, and energetic, Pisces. So, parang you have nothing to worry about for the first half ng January. And we also have the Sun card here. Talagang pumapabol um, ang reading na ito sa inyo, Pisces. And talagang ginagabayan din kayo towards to your success. Kaya naman napaka happy yung tao for this first half. So, in any case na meron kayong mga tanong or katanungan sa inyong isip, the Sun card, it also represents the yes answer. So, kung ano man yan, maging milyonaryo or what, yes, be positive and you will able to achieve those goals or for you to achieve those kinds of feelings. So, ayan, meron pa tayong additional cards dito. So, we have happiness. Second is have faith in your dreams. Third is the cow spirit. Okay. So, talaga naman ano, pumili ng mga cards or mga baraha ng kasiyahan. So, ito, generally speaking, happiness. Talagang maging masaya ang pagpasok ng New Year para sa inyo, Pisces, yung first half ng January. And naway magtuloy-tuloy. And dito, meron tayong have faith in your dreams. So, ayan, talagang nananalig kayo. Hindi niyo sinusukuan ng inyong mga ah, yung mga gusto niyong mangyari, yung mga dreams niyo sa buhay, yung mga gusto niyong makamit. Talagang or baka puwede na nating masabi na nakamit niyo na kasi talagang umaapaw na kasaganahan ang inyong natatamasa, Pisces. And meron pa tayo dito yung cow spirit. So, the miracles are endless. Ayan, talagang masasabi kong isa kayo sa mga masaswerteng zodiac sign ah, na or na nakakatamasa ng ganitong kasaganahan. Ayan. So, talagang hindi kayo sumusuko. You really have faith na ma-achieve, ma-attain niyo ang inyong dreams. So, kung ang inyong dreams ay happiness, I can say talagang ma-attain niyo 'yan. And ang mga miracles are endless or sabi nga dito, so ang mga milagro or sabi or ayun nga, expects or sabihin natin something unexpected is or there's something good or unexpectedly good about to come for you. Ayan. Talagang manalig lang Pisces and hindi kayo pababayaan. Talagang, paulanan pa kayo ng kasaganahan or tutulungan pa kayo ma-achieve ang inyong mga goals and dreams. Okay, sorry sa cut. Medyo umiingi na sa labas. Okay, moving on sa inyong reading. So yun yung ating masasabi sa general, first half ng January para sa inyo Pisces. Moving on now sa love life or love life prediction for the first half, of course. So first up, we have the Temperance. Second is the Eight of Wands. Third is Judgment. Ayan, Pisces, kung kayo ay single, so we can see na there will be someone or may tao na darating sa buhay nyo which will complete your life or sabihin natin magbabalance out ng inyong buhay. Pwede natin, for example, ang yin and yang. So, pwede siya ang yin, ikaw ang yang. So, you complete each other. So, pwede natin masabi na siya ay street smart and ikaw naman ay book smart. So, you help one another to learn more about the things na hindi nyo pa alam sa buhay. So, I can see na mabilis na communication to, mabilis na mangyayari, or they will be the one to communicate with you, o baka vice versa. Sila na yung magpapahiwatig or kayo. And we can see na talagang you are meant to be for each other since we have the judgment here. Parang siya na talaga ang ibinigay para sa inyo. Or talagang ito na yung time na kayo ay magkakaroon ng love life for you mga single Pisces. So, you complete each other, ayun nga, balance out each other, and it will be a fast communication. Walang magiging balaki dito, walang hahadlang para sa inyo. So, kung in a relationship naman, I can see na you and your partner is balancing each other out. You have balance in your relationship. Walang sobra, walang kulang. And you have clear communication. Hindi yung kayo ay sabihin natin nagpapabebe. Talagang clear. Kung ano yung, sabihin natin for example, may problema kayo, hindi pa kayo naisipan kung ano yung problema. Or, ayun nga, sinasabi niyo agad, direct to the point. So, ganito, I'm feeling jealous, I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling left out, ayan. So, they will able to, or, ayun, sa time na yun, pwede kayo, or pwede nyo mapag-usapan kung ano yung pwede nyong gawin para ma-resolve yung mga issue or yung mga problema. And we also have the judgment. So, pwede natin masabi na yung si partner nyo ay yung the one, which is for a long-term relationship or talagang marriage ang habol para sa inyo. Or something na, or we can look it in another perspective na may darating na malaki na deserve yung dalawa. Hindi ko alam kung it's, or sabihin natin, it's, there will be a blessing that will come that you deserve for both of you. Or may blessing na darating na deserve yung dalawa. Ayan. So, we have additional card here. So, we have romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So, ayan nga, for singles, kung nararamdaman nyo to, yung, or something, or may something na hindi, or ano ba yung feeling na yan? Hindi ko ma-explain. Or yung something na may parang butterflies in your stomach, yung hindi nyo maipaliwanag na feeling, pwede natin siyang ma-acknowledge as romantic feelings and that is real towards to that person. So, don't deny it. Acknowledge and accept it and you will able to feel much more happiness and love in your life. So, ganun din ang aking masasabi sa mga in a relationship. Pahalagahan nyo ang inyong pagmamahalan. Don't let the love out or spread or sabihin natin ayun, mas lalo pang mapapalalim ang inyong pagmamahalan and pagsasamahan. So that's what we have for your general reading for the first half of January Pisces. So take what resonates. And kung nagustuhan nyo ang reading, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Goodbye!